how to screen record restricted apps. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to navigate through your Play Store right here, and once inside, you want to go ahead and search for Screenshot Touch. And you see specifically want to go ahead and install this application right here. Wait for it to load in, and with this application we'll be able to record restricted apps on our phone. You want to go ahead and open it up, click on the OK button below your screen, and once inside you want to go ahead and scroll down.
Click on that on the top and allow.
And once inside, you can just go ahead and click on this huge button that says Start Capture Monitoring Services, and from here we will be required to enable some few settings. So you want to click on OK, click on allow, and from here you want to go ahead and specifically turn on the display over other apps for this Screenshot Touch. So you want to go ahead and look for that application, and after enabling this option right here, you can just go back to the Screenshot app, and now you have to go ahead and click on the Start Now button. But since I'm already recording a video right here, I cannot go ahead and specifically show you the other features of Screenshot Touch. But basically, you can now go ahead and open up restricted browser tabs or restricted applications. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.